My name is Putra Melia.
Okay, Putri, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling
Why?
because it makes me feel relaxed and lets me see new places.
Have you done much traveling?
Not really, I haven't traveled a lot
Why?
because I don't always have the time and money.
Do you think it's better to travel alone or with other people?
I think it's better to travel with other people
Why?
because it's more fun and safer.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I would like to travel to Japan
Why?
because it has beautiful place and interesting culture.
Okay. Did you go to secondary or high school near to where you live?
Yes, my school was near my house, so it was easy to get there every day.
What did you like about your secondary or high school?
I like my school because the teachers were friendly and the environment was comfortable.
Okay, tell me about anything you didn't like at your school. How do you think your school could be improved?
I didn't like that there were too many assessments and sometimes the schedule was too busy.
Okay, Putri, try to explain about two letters that you like. 1 minute. Time over. Please explain what you mean sincerely.
One day when I thought the weather was perfect was last year during an weekend I was at a beach near my city with my friends. The weather that day was warm and sunny but not too hot. There was a gentle breeze that made the air feel very comfortable. During the day we walked along the beach, took pictures and played in the water. We also sat on the sand and enjoyed some snack while talking and relaxed together. Everything felt calm and peaceful. I thought the weather was perfect because it made the whole day enjoyable. The sun was too strong, the wind felt refreshing, and the sky was very clear. It was the kind of weather that makes you feel happy and relaxed. That's why the felt perfect to me.
Okay. What is importance of friends?
Friends are important because they support us, make us happy, and help us when we need someone.
Would you like to have a few very good friends or a lot of just friends?
I prefer a few very good friends because they are more trustworthy and closer to me.
If you had a problem, would you go to your friends or family? Why?
I will go to my family because they know me best. I can give honest advice.
Do you think it's always better to talk to your friends about such a problem?
Not always, sometimes friends can help, but some problems are better shared with family or someone older.
It is important to you to have friends from other countries.
Yes, it is important because we can learn about different culture and improve our communication skill.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Siti Latifah Fatia.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I really enjoy it
Why?
because I think traveling can be a solution to calm the mind. By traveling, I also feel that I can explore things I didn't know before. That's why I really enjoy traveling.
Have you done much traveling?
No,
Why not?
because I'm lazy when it comes to traveling far, but that doesn't mean I don't like traveling, and my family doesn't have time either.
Do you think it's better to travel alone or with other people?
I think it's better to travel with other people
Why?
because it's more fun and you're not alone. But traveling alone is fine too, so I think both are okay.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I want to go to Switzerland because I love the scenery. I also think Switzerland is a great place to travel to.
Did you go to secondary or high school near to where you live?
Yes, I go to school not far from home, only about 5 minutes away.
What did you like about your secondary or high school?
I like my friends there and also the teachers. I think my friends there are very fun and the teachers are very supportive. I also like the lesson because they still have religious elements.
Tell me about anything you didn't like at your school. How do you think your school could be improved?
What I dislike about my school is that the school hours are too long. I think the breaks are too long, which means that the school day ends too late because some of the break time is cut short. What my school could improve is to cut the breaks short because I think they are too long and ineffective. That's why the school day won't end so late.
Try to explain about the weather that you like 1 minute.
Okay, miss.
Time over. Please explain what you mean science curly.
I will describe a day in the middle of the rainy season when the weather was cloudy and I was at home with no specific activities planned. The weather that day was completely overcast since the morning. The sky was covered with a thick layer of gray clouds, which made the natural light inside the house feel soft and even. The air temperature was very comfortable, around 25 Celsius, because of the pleasant and peaceful weather. I decided to make it a productive and relaxing day at home. I felt very relaxed and peaceful. I considered that cloudy and cool weather perfect because of the perfect natural lighting. The soft, non-glaring light was ideal for reading or walking indoors without having to switch on bright lamps. For me, a cloudy and cool day is the perfect weather to recharge my energy and enjoy the warmth of home.
What is importance of friends?
Friends are crucial as they are our emotional support system. They are the people we share our joys with and who offer fresh perspective when we face difficult issues.
Would you like to have a few very good friends or a lot of just friends?
I will choose to have a few very good friends. Deep relationship built on trust and honesty.
If you had a problem, would you go to your friends or family? Why?
It depends on the issue. I will probably approach friends for social or work problem as they often share similar experience. However, for a very serious or fundamental issue, I will turn to my family due to their unconditional bond and support.
Do you think it is always better to talk to your friends about such a problem?
Not always. Some problems are too personal or too heavy to burden a friend with. Sometimes I is best to seek professional help like a counselor or to keep highly sensitive matter to yourself.
Is it important to have friends from other countries?
Yes, absolutely. Making friends from other countries enrich my worldview. It teaches me about culture tolerance, helps me break down stereotypes, and ultimately makes me a more open minded global citizen.
Yes, I